Welcome to Python Programming Language video tutorials by Shine India Pvt Limited. In my previous class, we have discussed how to install Python IDLE in our system. So in this class, we are going to see where we have installed Python, which means the path we are going to find. Let us see, we have a different methodologies in order to identify the location or path where we have installed our Python IDLE. You could see here, we have a different methodologies. The first methodology is using command prompt. And second one is you could use any of the IDE, right? So which means we have discussed already what is meant by IDE and all in my previous class. So the next one is manually. So these are the three different approaches in which we could use in order to identify the location or path where we have installed our Python. So let us see command prompt. So to open the command prompt, so you may go ahead with a Windows key and then you could type here command prompt, right? So if you type over here command prompt, so you could identify this command prompt and you could click on it, right? So now you could see here, this is what the command prompt. Okay. So the other way of opening this command prompt is you could use run command. So to open the run command, so you have to go ahead with Windows key plus R. So use these two, Windows plus R. So it will be open, right? Run command will be open. So now you have to click over here. You have to type over here CMD and then click enter. So now command prompt will be open, right? So this is what the way of opening the command prompt. So once this command prompt is open, so to get the location or path of an IDLE, so you have to write where command, where Python, so that you could get the path. Now let's see. So try to type here where Python and click enter. So then you could see here the path of the IDLE. So you have to go ahead with a C drive and then program files, Python 313, and then Python executable. So let us open this path. So I'm going to open my C drive. So let us open C drive. And then you have to go for Python files. And then you have to go for Python 313. Right? So you could see over here, right? So this is what executable application, right? So what is the path here? So this is the path. You can copy it and you could use it as and when required. So I hope it is clear to everybody. So how to see the path of Python where we have installed. Okay. So now let us go ahead with the other methodology. So other methodology is IDE. So you could open your own IDE. Suppose in my PC, I have two different IDEs. One is Jupyter Notebook and second one is IDLE. So let me open my IDLE and then I will be writing a small code in order to identify the path. So let me open my IDLE. So let us type over here IDLE and then click enter. So now we got it here, interactive mode. So you could write in interactive mode, there will be no problem at all. So let me write import. So we have to write the module. We have to import the module called sys. Even for version also, we have used sys only. So that we have discussed in my previous class. Right? Import sys and then you could write here sys dot executable. And then click enter. Now you could see over here the same path we got it, right? So C drive, program files, Python 313, Python w.exe. So similar path we got it, right? So I hope everybody is clear, right? So if you want to see the same path, which means here ideally path we got it, right? Now, if I have opened Jupyter Notebook, so let us see the path of the Jupyter Notebook. So let me open my Jupyter Notebook. So this is what Jupyter Notebook. So let me type the same code. Import sys and then sys dot executable. Click enter. So execute it. So control enter, or else you may click on run. Right. So now you could see over here the path of Jupyter Notebook. Right. So in C drive, we have a users, and then you have to go ahead with a AMI, and then Anaconda 3. So and then ENVS notebook, and then Python executable. So let's see the path. So let me go for this PC. So we have to go for C drive. So and then you have to go for users, and then you have to go for AMI, and you have to go for Anaconda 3. So and then you have to go for ENVS, and then click notebook. And now you could see Python executable file. So you could see over here. So this is what Python executable file, right? So this is the path, right? So Jupyter Notebook path. Okay. So I hope it is clear to everybody. So now, so far we have discussed two different methodologies. One is command prompt and second one is IDE. Now let's see manually. So manually also you could identify the location of the path, right? So to use manually, so you just try to click on Windows key and then try to type IDLE. Now you just try to come towards to the right side and then open file location. So you just try to open file location over here. So I'm going to click on over here. And now you could see over here. So in this window, you may identify Python.3.13 64-bit. So what you have to do over here is you just try to click right click on it, right click on it, and then click on open file location, right? So if you click on open file location, and you may identify here Python, right? So you just try to see the same path, we got it. The same path we got it, right? So see program files, Python 313. So we got similar path. So I hope everybody is clear. So let me explain in a nutshell what we have discussed. So in this tutorial, we have been discussed the location or path where we have installed Python, right? So we have it three different methodologies. So one is command prompt, and second one is IDE, and third one is manually. So to use command prompt, so we have to open run command, and then so you have to type CMD, or else directly you could open Windows key and then you could try to type command prompt. So once command prompt is open, so try to type Python. So where Python, you just try to type where Python, right? So hence you will be getting the path of the Python. So the second one is IDE. So when you are using IDE to find the path, so you have to import a module called sys. So let me erase all these things. So you have to import sys and then sys dot executable. So if you type this code, so you will be getting the path. Okay. So manually is also so simple. So you could open Windows key and then try to type IDLE here, and then you just come to the right side and you could try to open file location, and then go for the second one here, Python 3.13 64-bit. And here you have to click on right and then open file location. So you could see here, so Python, so which is executable, right? So this is what the path of the Python. So I hope it is clear to everybody. So if you have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment box. I'll try to explain or clear those doubts. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel.